name is Samir Mahmoud, Academic Director of Usul Academy. Well, we're in Istanbul. It's part of the Usul Academy Summer Sohba, where all the students from the various programs come and meet together. They spend most of the year studying online. We have a sohba, a gathering with scholars, so the students get to meet each other. And so we bring them to Istanbul so they can meet the scholars, form a kind of a bond that will last a lifetime, inshallah.
My name is Burak. I come from Belgium. I'm originally from Turkey. I was born and raised in Belgium. I study applied mathematics. I'm about to finish my master's degree in applied math. I joined Usul 2 years ago. I was part of the first cohort for the preparatory program, the Arabic program, and now I'm about to complete my first year of the BA program.
My name is Bilkis Barucha. I'm from San Francisco, California, and I'm a second year in Usul Academy BA program.
I think what makes Usul unique is the initial intention of combining both the classical Islamic disciplines with the social sciences to at least have a better grasp of the challenges I think we particularly face in the West.
The whole reason that I joined Usul Academy was because of the comparative social sciences approach that was included in this program. I think this is something very, very unique. And so when we started learning comparative methods and theories with Dr. Rajab, it was exactly the content that I had been looking for. I think when you grow up in the West and you go through like a Western educational system, you're often not aware of like the underlying philosophies and concepts that you're absorbing, but you're not really aware of them. So it leads to a lot of questions about how do you understand these things from an Islamic perspective, but you're not really equipped to figure out these answers. And so having it done through the comparative methods and theories class with Dr. Rajab was really exactly what I was looking for.
Your teachers aren't just people who have mastered the Islamic disciplines, but many of them have also a lot of experience in just mainstream academia. You get almost two answers for each question, depending on the perspective, or at least two ways of analyzing certain problems rather than just understanding fiqh and then asking how to apply that.
The unique advantages of Usul Academy is that it brings together a high caliber of scholars from around the world. So the diversity of scholars and their high caliber is quite unique. It means that students who would otherwise not have access to these scholars in various parts of the world have direct access to them. They're able to study a variety of different texts, a variety of different approaches from around the world, which is something you don't get if you're sitting, for example, in Sydney or California or somewhere in India. And this is one of the things that many of our students really thoroughly enjoy. High caliber of diversity of scholars.
This is a great program for people who are starting out with their Islamic studies as well. It prepares you. There's an Arabic prep year you can tap into as well. But other than that, we have a very diverse cohort. I mean, there are people who attend from all ages. Like I joined this program well after I'd finished my master's. People who would benefit most are people who have studied in like a normal kind of 4-year university program, and they've become familiar or they've already been trained in some specialization or some discipline and are trying to now kind of understand things from an Islamic perspective or delving into their own tradition to understand how to navigate issues today.